Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Active Directory basic configuration step by step. What is Active Directory? Active Directory AD is Microsoft's directory service that acts as a centralized database for managing users, computers, and resources in a Windows network environment. Think of it as a digital phone book for your entire organization. Why use Active Directory? Single sign-on. Users log in once and access all their authorized resources, centralized user management, create, modify, or delete users from one location, security policies, apply consistent security settings across all computers, resource sharing, easily share files, printers, and applications, scalability, can grow from small offices to enterprise-level organizations. Navigation to Windows Server. Go to search bar and type network, then show view network connections for shown network adapter. Select your network adapter for setup static IP for AD domain controller. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4 to open settings. Select obtain an IP address automatically and change the DNS server. For this lab I set a static IPv4 address of 192.168.2.10, subnet mask :255.255.255.0 DNS, 127.0.0.1. This IP address and DNS are used for the AD server. Deploying Active Directory, you should have noticed an application called Server Manager loaded when we first logged into Windows Server. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next, click Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation and click Next. Click Select a server from the server pool, keep the defaults and click Next. Select Active Directory Domain Services and click Next. Click Add Features for AD and click Next. Sometimes it takes some time based on system resources. Click Next. In Select Features options, click Next to continue with the defaults. In Select AD Domain Services, click Next at the Azure Information page. In Confirm Installation Selections, click Install to install AD services. After click Install, then starting installation. During installation it's take few minutes based on system resources. After few minutes starting feature installation. During installation it's take few minutes based on system resources. Installation and feature installation completed, now click Close. Before promoting your server to a domain controller, it is important to give it a meaningful name. For that, go to Settings. Click Rename. Name your PC. After set name your PC, then restart PC. During restart process do not power off. After restart, using password need to log in server for next steps. Click the flag with yellow triangle in the right corner and click Promote this server to a domain controller. A window will appear. Add a new forest, assign a domain name, name.local, and click Next. I named mine cac.local. Keep the defaults, set a DSRM password and click Next. Keep the defaults DNS options, click Next. Keep the defaults additional options, click Next. Keep the defaults paths, click Next. Review the options and click Next. Click Next to start the installation. Once finished, the VM will automatically restart. During installation it's take 10 minutes overall. You have shown signed out option, click Close for restart the process. After restart you can show domain, admin user for login, that means AD installation completed. Now check another way to confirm that you successfully joined the domain is to check the computer's OU on your Active Directory domain controller. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials.